Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm looking for that cursed gold we stole. Because nothing has gone right since we lifted it from the museum. I think I found it. Yes. Sweet gold. Oh, yes. It's mine. Yes. Hey, what's up, guys? My name's John Erickson. 3 days after Teddy Ball Game left for the war in Korea, I come home. Smell of dish soap in the kitchen. Mom had gone out for fresh produce, I figured. I race up the stairs, looking to take a peek into your telescope. The stars were already out. Clouds, sparse. But I open the door and I see you. You were supposed to be at work. I have looked to the stars and back for a reason why, but am no closer to an answer than I was that spring day. Now you present yourself before me like a ghastly specter. I need answers. Answer me! This is how it's going to work. I don't have a file on you. Fine, we'll start one. I'm gonna ask you a question. And if you answer me with that goddamn look, I'll send 50 milliamps of current through your body. Name. Age. Cause of death. Is this really happening? Say something useful. After all this time, did you ever think of me?